Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jackie and today I'm back with a KylieBaby review. So the things came in this cute little blue box and I'm gonna be reviewing it today. I'll have the kids take a little bath later and see how everything is, if I like it or not. What do I think about the quality? I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think I haven't heard very great things, but I wanted to try it out myself. I bought it the day it launched. So yeah, let's open up the box and see what's inside. I actually might be mistaking this with her swim line. I think her swim line just launched not too long ago, and I think that was getting bad reviews. We'll see. When she announced KylieBaby, I was really excited because I thought it was gonna be like a clothing line. I thought that would have been cute. But let's see. Let's get a little lighter here. Okay, so as soon as you open it up, you see the KylieBaby by Kylie Jenner. Okay, we have KylieBaby stickers. This is cute. I got a blue little a travel case. I'll open that up. I also ordered one of her lip oils. When I was checking out at the KylieBaby, it kind of threw in some of her Kylie cosmetics in there, so that's smart. Okay, so here we have the box of the products. We have the Gentle Shampoo, Gentle Conditioner, Bubble Bath, and Moisturizing Lotion. So the products are vegan and clean, hypoallergenic, tested by pediatricians, tear-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, paraben and sulfate-free, and gluten and nut-free, which that last one is interesting. So the packaging, first impression, pretty cute. They got me with the blues and the pinks. That's very, very cute. Let me open up the travel case here. So I purchased this because sometimes when we do go out of state or something, I don't really have a place to put my baby's things, like their lotions, their shampoos and stuff. So I thought this would be cute. I like the material. This is like wipeable, it's cleanable. Inside as well, it seems to be like that good material that's not gonna soak stuff or get soaked. Pretty good amount of space as well. I'm gonna go ahead and try the rest of the products obviously later. The conditioner, the shampoo, and the bubble bath with my kids. But since I'm here now, I'll give this a try, the moisturizing lotion. So it's a bit runny. I'm not a big fan of like runny lotions because they tend to not be very rich or moisturizing. So even though it's fragrance free, it doesn't smell bad like some products that are I don't know if you guys have, you know, had any fragrance free products, but I usually tend to not like them because they have this really bad scent that I don't like. But this one seems to be pretty good. It does feel really nice, actually. Might just keep this for myself. Just kidding. No, I do like it. I do feel it, that it's soaked into my skin. It's not feeling greasy. And it doesn't smell bad. So first impression, pretty good, Kylie. Okay, Kylie. So I will show you guys the rest of the products later when I bathe my kids later tonight before bedtime. And we'll see if the other products are as good as the lotion.
Hi guys!
Okay, so bear with us because Aston does not love bath time. Typical boy.
I don't like bath time very much.
So for anybody that's interested, the bubble bath is 12 ounces and the shampoo and conditioner are both 8 ounces. So. So I've had to put quite a few pumps and it's not as bubbly.
It's finally watermelon. Wow. So cool. Bubbles. Bubbles in my belly. Bubbles in my belly. Bubbles in my belly.
I don't know if I would call this a bubble bath yet.
Bubbles.
Put a little bit more.
Wait a minute.
Move it around.
Bubble, 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 bubble. And Nana has so much to eat.
So I've put in quite a few pumps. I'm
Bubbles.
not sure if I would.
Like bubbles.
It's pretty
It's not
bubbly, but
jumping.
not as much as I expected.
Jump, 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 jump.
Let's see how much it takes for it to get real bubbly.
Go. And that's okay. See how it goes.
So it got pretty bubbly. I did have to put a lot of pumps though, in my opinion.
Because there's not too much.
It doesn't really have a scent, but it also doesn't smell bad.
It smells
So
beautiful.
we're gonna move on and try the shampoo and conditioner. Okay guys, to finish off the video, I wanted to give you my last thoughts on the KylieBaby products. After bathing the girls with the shampoo, conditioner, the bubble bath, you know, what I thought about how their hair felt and all of that. So to start off, the lotion I really like. It's not too thick, so it's not oily. It's like one of those you kind of really have to just rub on your skin and you can actually feel it, like, you know, moisturizing and doing what it has to do and penetrating into the skin. So I really like this. I like that it's fragrance free, so I can use it on my baby. And it also doesn't smell bad because it's fragrance free, so I like that. The bubble bath, I'm not impressed with. The amount of pumps that I had to use to get the bubbles that I did in the bath is kind of ridiculous. Like, this is almost like, I'd say it's halfway done with one use, so that's pretty crazy. I have another store brand, like the one I buy at a regular store, my grocery store, for the girls, the bubble bath, and that one, you know, just a few little squirts and we're good to go. with, you know, a good amount of bubbles. So yeah, this I wouldn't really recommend or really waste my money on again. So that's my review on that. With the shampoo and the conditioner, I want to say I'm pretty impressed because I thought it was gonna be, I honestly thought her products were gonna be, you know, a little lacking in quality, because some of her products are, but I like it. They did what they had to do. The conditioner, you know, I did see that I didn't have to struggle brushing my girl's hair. They basically did what they had to do, so I'm pretty happy with this product. I'm gonna keep using it on my girls. I don't know if I will repurchase. I'm not sure if I'm like that impressed by it, you know, maybe. So when it comes to pricing, the products separately are $17 each. If you purchase in a bundle, they are $58, so you save $10 if you purchase it in a bundle. And as you can see, she has different bundles here with different items. But yeah, my overall thoughts are that I like the lotion. I would repurchase this. The bubble bath, I wouldn't waste my money on it again. The shampoo and conditioner are pretty good. I might repurchase. We'll see. But yeah, I like these. So that is it for today, guys. I'm gonna go back to enjoying my PSL here. It's a very cold day here in Utah, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed and liked this review. If you did, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up for my post notifications so you can be notified when I post a video. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. That will really help me out. I will see you guys in my next video. I have some exciting news. Bye! So the products are vegan, hypoallergenic, These products as a bundle are $17. No.